Hi, I'm Catherine Kenyon. I'm the Health Pathways Success Coach in the admissions office, and I wanted to provide some guidelines about how to complete our nursing application, specifically our Associates of Applied Science nursing application. So, the first thing you want to do is go to our website at arapahoe.edu. You're going to hover over the admissions tab and click the apply button. If you're a returning or a current student, the screen will probably look something like this. If you're a brand new student, you'll have to create an account first, and then you'll see something like this. So you're going to create a new application, start a new undergraduate application, and you're going to choose the semester that you want to apply for and submit. And then again, if you're current or returning student, I would suggest reviewing the personal information just to make sure it's still accurate. And then you'll save and continue at the bottom of the page, and it'll take you to the academic information section of the application. When you get here, make sure you complete all of the places that have red asterisk so that your application is not delayed. You're going to choose health as your area of interest, and then you will choose nursing associate of applied science for your degree. And you'll just continue completing the academic information, save and continue at the bottom of that page. Same thing with the residency information and the demographic information, and you'll be given an opportunity to review all of it before you submit your application. So you can do that. Then you hit submit. And then very shortly thereafter, you will get an email to the email address you provided on your application that just welcomes you to our community and lets you know that you're not quite finished with the process since this is a selective admissions program. You have some additional steps to complete before you will be finished with your application. So you'll just click on this Return to Your Application tab. You'll go back to your application and you'll see something like this. You'll see all the supplemental items that are required to complete your nursing application. Make sure you read the information in each of these sections. And our preferred file type is PDF if you can upload your information in a PDF file. Um, and you'll just click on choose file. You'll choose the file from your computer and you'll upload it. You'll do that for each one of these items. You'll get confirmation emails each time you upload one of the supplemental items. And once you complete all of them, you'll get a confirmation email that all of your application is complete. You'll also get reminder emails if you're waiting, for example, for your HESI score or your CNA license. You'll get reminders to upload those, and you'll be able to log back in and upload those items. All of our applications will be reviewed by our nursing department, so give them a few weeks to do that, and then you'll be notified about whether you got accepted to the program. Please feel free to reach out to the admissions office at 303-797-5637 if you have any questions. We are happy to help you. And congratulations for doing your application for the nursing program.